Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your JavaScript environment for AI development. Install Node, JS v18 and npm on your computer. Create a new project folder and run npm init to initialize. Install 3 libraries: Express for server routing, Axios for HTTP requests, and at TensorFlow/TFJS Node for model execution. Use a code editor like VS Code and open the project folder. Confirm Node.js version by running node v in your terminal before coding further. Next, build a simple AI pipeline using JavaScript and TFJS Node. Collect sample data as JSON files or from API endpoints for your training input. Preprocess inputs by normalizing text, scaling numeric fields, and tokenizing with 1 to 3 gram tokens. Define a model architecture in code and train locally using at TensorFlow/TFJS Node or load pre-trained weights. Save the trained model to disk. Finally, write a function to run inference and return structured JSON responses for your application. Finally, deploy and secure your JavaScript AI as an API using Express. Create a post/predict endpoint that accepts JSON input for model inference requests. Limit request payloads to 1 MB and validate incoming fields before model execution. Add authentication using API keys or JWT tokens to restrict access. Implement rate limits such as 60 requests per minute and log latency metrics for each call. Use environment variables for secrets and run your server behind a reverse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.